thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for Porte, Southern Lake, and northern Jasper counties.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in
Whoa.
northwestern Indiana.
Like there's like extreme heat incoming in the Midwest.
Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, Pulaski County in northwestern
Through the entire state of Iowa.
County, Indiana, Starke County
And this one is affecting the city of South Bend.
County, Indiana, Porte County
Like many Indiana counties.
until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near La Crosse to 6 miles northwest of Winnemac to near Royal Center, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include South Bend, LaPorte, Logansport, Plymouth, Rochester, Westville, Monticello, Knox, Winnemac, Walkerton, North Liberty, Monon, North Judson, Argus, Kingsford Heights, Culver, Wanata, Franceville, Royal Center, and Hamlet. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 188 and 190. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
The heaviest rain
I never seen that before.
in eastern Kankakee County. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen, with a rainfall rate up to 3 inches in 1 hour. Rainfall rates are at least temporarily diminishing within the rest of the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly within the warned area. Hazard, flash flooding